Connect the cassette capture device to the Roxio video capture USB using the JSAUX cable. Next, connect the Roxio video capture USB to the computer's USB port and connect the red and white cables from the aux cord to the Roxio device. Next, take the cassette capture device and slide the lever on the side to open it up. Grab your cassette and slide it inside of the device. Before recording, just make sure your cassette is fully rewound using the rewind button on the cassette player. Now you're going to go ahead and open the Roxio Easy VHS to DVD Plus software from the desktop. Click on Audio from the home menu. And to get started, we'll click Record Audio, and then click on the plus sign next to the options to open up the options panel. We'll want to enable auto pause. Usually 15 seconds is a good time to set it to. You'll also want to check the box for silence may contain noise. You'll also want to set the track detection, and the silence gap must be at least 3 seconds. Usually that's the best choice here. You'll also want to check that box for silence may contain noise. Once everything looks good, you'll go ahead and press record and then press play on the cassette capture device. Because we enabled auto pause to stop recording automatically after an extended period of silence, Roxio will automatically pause when it's finished recording the first side of your cassette. Now you'll want to grab your cassette device, eject your cassette, go ahead and flip it to side 2, and then you'll just want to rewind again to make sure it's starting all the way back at the beginning. Note, you will not see activity in the clip editor until the recording is complete. To record your second side, you'll want to click on the red dot next to the resume button, and that will resume recording your second side. Once you're finished recording and the second side is complete, you'll go ahead and click the stop button. Now we can see that the audio is all loading and saving, and you'll see a dialog box as it progresses. Now you're going to see the mix editor. From this screen, you have the ability to re-listen to your audio, to go back and clean it up. You can also do things like title your tracks by clicking on the audio titles up top. You can also click on the play button down in the bottom toolbar to go through and listen to some of your recorded tracks. As you go back and listen to your recorded tracks, you may realize that the track separator was not perfect in determining how long each track was. Using the mix editor, you can drag and drop the bars between tracks to extend or shorten track length. Once you're satisfied with your tracks, you can go ahead and click on the export button. Next, you'll click on Tracks Clips in the upper gray toolbar and click on the link for Use Tracks from Project. For the output settings, we're going to want to choose MP3 good quality, and you're also going to choose where you'd like to save your tracks to. You can choose a flash drive, you could save them to the desktop, or you could toggle to burn audio CD to export them that way as well. Once you've chosen where you'd like to save them, go ahead and click on the export button and you are all finished.